somewhere something you might be rectified. It's all
I,
right.
I didn't spend that much time on it. That's why I think.
It's okay, mate. Okay. Let's start the number ranges.
Okay. Shall I log off? Okay, you logged me
No
off.
issue because the same user is logging twice, the load will put on server, right?
Yeah.
Your elder one is daughter, right? Younger one is son, right?
No, no, both are sons.
Good like me.
Not good, man.
Welcome to GoToMeeting, online meetings made easy. There are 1 other callers on the call.
And assign number ranges. 3 steps.
Sorry, can you...
First you need to define.
The,
First step. Second step. Sorry. Second step.
number
And
range,
third
group
step
name.
is assign
Number range to
number
group name.
to group name.
Number range to group name.
Okay.
Okay.
So what is the first anything which the number is?
No, I think we'll have to look at what intervals are available.
We'll have to look at what intervals are available. Yeah. 2200. 3000 is there. we'll define 7600 to 7700. Let's see.
Okay.
Z
H.
D
H.
7600 to 7699.
Already
This
available.
is already available.
Uh-huh. Already available. Uh-huh.
What we can take Z Y
Okay.
yes. Hmm?
Yep.
What we created 7600 to 7699. Now 7700 to 7999. Interval is overlapping. So where is that interval, man?
ZY, right?
No, I'm looking about the interval which is overlapped.
Yeah, it is there, no? 7800 to 799 is there. So if you select from 7700 to 7799, then I think it's going to take.
Okay. Okay. 7700 is there. Did you saw?
Yeah, so. No, 7700 is not
I
there.
did-
7800 is there.
So I define Z, X and Y. Okay, this one I'm keeping as external.
Hmm.
So Zx I keeping a external, Zy I am keeping a internal. Excuse me. Oh, I didn't say it. New address. Zx is a external F4. My group name and the member range given name both should be same. Shouldn't I?
It's down. Yeah. Zy internal.
Here, which group you need to maintain? Standard. Standard means whenever the BP is open, automatically for every role you are defining, that grouping name will be displayed in the grouping area. If you keep default here. Internal standard grouping, external standard grouping. Okay? These radio buttons.
Mm-hmm. So where do you need to, you didn't tick anywhere, right?
No, I didn't take any. If I tick, automatically displayed in the business partner screen, the first. So whenever anyone want to create BP, the member range will display from our member range. Will generate
Okay.
from our member range because I
That will be the
maintain that
default
as a
one.
standard.
Okay.
Yeah. To create person. Suppose some role. Here so many people created contact person, RD something. As well to party employee Nivya Phillips. Okay.
This role we could not create. We'll have to create that.
That why we will waste our time.
Yeah, sure.
You can put some time on that.
Hmm.
Later, whenever I'll get a time, I'll do that.
Yeah.
And also, I send you a Google Drive, the docs PDF file. And
Where?
I send the material also.
Which email ID? Is that?
To your Narmi.
Is that? I didn't see. Yesterday I checked, it wasn't there. So
No, today.
okay,
Today I sent.
okay, no problems. Thanks.
So this is grouping here. Automatically it is displaying Audi GP internal because this group name is maintained as default one.
Mm-hmm.
So
He sticked the
when
radio
you
button
can,
there, is it?
you want,
Is that what you mean?
yeah, if any, yeah. So A internal, A external.
Hmm.
So A internal if you select and you can create. You know this all stuff. You
Yep.
need to maintain all stuff, just save the member will come. Okay?
Right.
So this error is nothing but because making mandatory fields. How we can make mandatory fields? So as we discussed here, that name is field grouping. We can make mandatory as client level and user level. That means client level means whoever login, whatever the user, irrespective of user, those fields become mandatory. Okay?
Uh,
Field grouping. See here. Okay? As a client level or BP level. See here, client level means, you know, like
it will be applicable for the entire system.
the SAP business partner, BUPA and BU Payar, which application it's mainly, so you need to take all the stuff. No, user means, role means like that particular role, suppose field grouping required, that prospect, whatever the Apple prospect, you need to keep mandatory fields, or Honda prospect you need to keep mandatory fields. That particular exclusively that role is having fields mandatory, not for other roles. Okay?
Okay.
So if you have your own role, take inventory, then assign that role, then later for that role you can keep mandatory fields. Suppose sold to party ASUS. So, for this role you would like to give field grouping, you can give field grouping. So these are all the tabs. So address tab, required entry means making mandatory. Suppose
Mandatory,
I
yeah.
think city is the mandatory. Postal code, country.
All this is for one particular role, is it? Or is it BP specific, business partner specific?
Yeah, only for this. Yeah, BP
Okay.
specific role. That
Okay,
particular
BP specific
sold to
role.
party
Mhm.
or shipped. So maintain this, save and test.
If you pick up ASUS, then it should come.
Two A's are there.
Grouping?
No.
Okay.
Later create, you need to select last grouping, which number you want.
Mm.
This is end user job, not our job.
Okay. But we need to create the number range and give them the number range, right?
Yes. So here you saw two mandatory fields for this role, city and country.
Right.
You have direct flight from London to Bangalore, Kingfisher. Now I hope it's gone. Is it running still?
No, it's gone, it's gone. No, we have British Airways. We have British Airways. I think Jet
That
also
is costly,
flies.
right?
Yeah.
Jet is Delhi, not
Mm,
Bangalore. Non-stop. I'm talking about non-stop.
non-stop, yeah. No. It'll be Bombay or Delhi.
Yes. So you born and brought up in Bangalore or any other?
No. Bangalore.
So you know Kannada.
Hmm. Very similar to your Telugu, huh? The scripture, the language. When you speak, it's different, but the scripture is the same, Telugu and Kannada.
Yeah, I know.
And most of
Literature.
yeah, Telugu people they know Kannada.
That means who belongs to that belt, border of the Bangalore, Anantapur,
Yeah, yeah.
Chittoor, Kurnool. Those people only know Kannada. The people who are Rangareddy, the Hyderabad, and those people
That
who are
side
from
they will not know. Right.
and Vizag, nothing. Yeah, see here. So it's generated 7,600. So this is the number range. If you want to, this is internally system generated. If you want external, then
You
need
can
to
give a number,
as per the
whatever between. Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah. So then move to the relationships. So the same customer, the sold to party need to maintain relationships.
Did we assign the number range to the grouping? We assigned, no? We created a grouping and then we assigned grouping to number range.
We assign.
Yeah, yeah.
If it is not assigned, how come this
Then you
number
will
is
not
coming?
get, yeah, correct. Okay.
The relationship categories. See here has contact person, has this thing. All this stuff will be there in customization part. The T code is BOBA.
Ba, B-U-B-A.
Okay. So here categories are there. Relationship category,
First, if you can just tell me
categories, marriage,
uh, an overview of what a relationship is. Is it, as the term indicates, what is the relation between a business partner and an organization? Whether he is whatever contact person or buyer or payer or whatever.
no.
No?
Relationship. See here, I told you here, relationship means maintain additional detail.
No,
Additional details of sold to party. Who is
Yeah.
the sold to party?
no, we just created one.
Vijay Gaud is.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So this particular Vijay Gaud related need to maintain more information. That means Vijay Gaud has, Vijay Gaud is having, Vijay Gaud details more I record his ship to party details, his bill to party details, his contact person. So all these are stuff nothing but we are maintaining some additional data, isn't it?
Yeah.
Details or data, whatever it, additional data you are maintaining of this. Where you need to maintain the location is relationships.
Uh-huh. Okay.
Okay.
It's like partner
So
functions.
this is the absolutely same like partner functions. If you define here partner functions PDP profile, output determination profile in SD, the data will go and bring that related, that particular sold to party related, how many partners are there, all the data will pop out, will determine in transaction.
Right. Yeah. In that case, in ECC, you will have to create different partner functions. Here, instead of creating, you maintain the relationship.
Check. Yes. You are talking something, Mister. Hello? 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 Imran? Hello, Imran? Hello, mate? Talk to me. Hello? Hello? Hello?
Yeah. You're right. Sorry.
So here, something you are telling in SD, if you want partner function, what you need to define?
You have to create that customer. You have to create that customer with that particular partner function, like he is a bill to party. But
Yeah,
here,
same here also you need to define.
but here in this,
Yeah, here also you
but
need to define.
but you don't need to create a new one, right?
We
Do you
need
need to
to
create?
create a new one. Why not we need to create?
Okay, okay,
Yeah, that time when I am teaching you PDB profile, that time we'll see that. Okay?
okay.
So this is the way if you maintain in master data, all these details of regarding this customer or sold to party. Then this data will be displayed in the partner functions. So later PDP profile, that we call as PDP profile. So this Vijay Gold related all the additional details are maintaining the location is BP relationships. Here one-way relationship. So if you maintain one business partner, then at the will display in the next business partner. Like here, suppose the relationship category is contact person.
Yeah.
Mega store has contact person Mr. Mark. Mark is the contact person for Mega store in the BPL. So let's see here. See contact person relationship category. If you go for details,
Did you double click or?
see the BP view is the first BP view. Yeah, you can go anywhere. You can double click or you can go for details. Anywhere.
Okay.
No issues. So here has contact person is contact person for. This is the way you can create your what relationship category description need to be displayed in the front end application here. So if you define there, it will display here. Hello.
Yeah.
All the category description will be displayed in the front end.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
So you can define n number of relationship categories,
So this
and here you can
particular
see.
Yes. So, and again, that category need to be displayed either which category of your BP. This particular contact person category need contact person relationship category need to be displayed business partner category, organization, person, group. And second BP ID is contact person means what? Is a person. So the next BP ID need to be displayed on person type, not on organization, because organization doesn't have the organization name is the contact person, isn't it?
Mm.
Some person should be the contact person.
Right.
Reliance Industries, Anil Ambani is the person.
Mm-hmm.
Imran Stores, so Imran is the contact person, isn't it?
Yeah, correct. Mm.
Yes. So those control will be given here. Okay.
Mm-hmm. But
Like all the categories is like that only. Marriage related.
oh, okay.
Okay.
So here you have relationship categories defined, and for that particular BP, you can you can pick these relationship categories and assign. And when you go to the BP view, you can see all these categories, and you can pick what is the relationship. Am I correct in saying that?
Yes. Yeah. See now you can see test. I will show you.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose I took contact person, copy as. I changed my name. Z Apple contact person 2. So let's see. I think that A means Apple.
You, I think is it Honda that you mean to say, or you going for?
Sorry, Honda, no?
Yeah, that one also relationship category.
Honda.
ZHCP2 you can see.
Honda relationship category.
Okay.
Why one now? There is no other thing, right?
Mm.
Copy all.
Mm-hmm. So you have created a new relationship category, which is ZHRCP, which is a contact person.
I'm creating one more BP here.
Mm-hmm.
Or else I'll take. No. Contact person. create. Here Mr. Raj, or yeah, Raj is the contact person.
Mm.
Somebody student something they will test. So some settings will be missed.
Contact person.
What are the runtime error?
Internal. Or maybe you can take external because you created internal.
See now,
Uh-huh.
see here 7600.
One
Okay.
has been created.
Just you will come back. Just will come back and it's update. It will update. 7600. I created two business partners.
Yeah,
One
yeah.
is 7600, one is 7600.
Right.
Go to edit. Relationships.
Show that relationship category.
See, HN, right?
Yeah.
Or HD, what do you maintain?
HN only.
Yeah. HN. HN. So suppose think that this is DB1. Here, who is the contact person? Raj is the contact person. From which time to which period? From to create. So system will ask you, is it, if you want to maintain that person is VIP, sales department, which function, all the stuff, general stuff, who is the department, his phone number, his email address, his sales area, all the stuff if you want to maintain, you can maintain.
In this, if you want,
Rajkumar.
in this, if you want more fields, how do you get that?
Not fields, maintaining data. This is
No.
end user will maintain here.
Yeah,
No.
but if he wants something else apart from VP or a director or something, so if you have to add a field, then you will have go through a BAP, or is it field groupings like we did?
No. Web app only will develop new fields.
Okay.
CRM technical. So just save this.
So here it says Vijay Good has contact person Rajkumar. Here it says Vijay Good has contact person Rajkumar. If you go to 7601, he is a contact person. You can maintain that relationship. If you go to 7601, he is a contact person. Vice versa.
See here. So Honda is contact person for Vijay Ghosh. That means Rajkumar. Is has. Okay?
Okay.
Then this is the way you need to define your categories. Now let's see the other topic called sales area data. Like if you observe something offline or anywhere. Some sold to party or anything. See, yes, sales area data. You saw the general data and you saw the relationship data. Now in sales area data. That particular sold to party, Mr. Vijay Kumar, if you want to maintain sales area data. Sales area means you know very well, sales organization, distribution channel and division. Okay?
Right. Right.
These data if you maintain in your organization structure, then you can assign here. Choose sales area.
Raj, here
Apple Corporation.
Here I have one question, Raj. Raj, here I have one question, Raj.
Yeah, tell me.
See, most of the time, customer data is moved from R3 to CRM. Okay. But in R3 we don't have relationships. So how does that work? How does that work? I mean, do we have to maintain in CRM again, or is it something else?
Very good question. I was supposed to tell that,
Okay.
but you asked me that in SD there is no relationship. This functionality given only for CRM. If
Right.
any data is migrating from CRM to SD, then in SD's relationship will not be updated.
Okay.
If SD to CRM, if any data is moving, and is relationship related information need to be maintained explicitly in CRM.
Mhm.
Okay?
Okay. What are the tables behind these business partners and other things like if you have
Same tables like if you take from master this thing like customers like Kunar,
Mhm.
product you for Mara, same tables made, nothing
in CRM.
differs.
Okay.
If you go to your SC16 or 38, you can find the tables which is related to. Nothing we need to search, that's it.
Mhm. Any tables that are regularly used?
So with sales organization, actually we will not, functional consultant not required to use any tables because CRM technical consultant will use that. Explicitly we have CRM technical consultant.
Okay.
There one ABAPer will support all the functional consultant, but in coming to the CRM, explicitly CRM functional and CRM technical will be there.
Okay. But if you want to extract data,
So which
if you want using tables and then
that
to play around.
flat file extraction is there.
Using tables and yeah.
Yeah, that is one of the topic here, flat file extraction. You are extracting data from outside to CRM. That is another thing. Then going forward, we'll see that flat file extraction.
Okay. Okay.
So which sales organization will take?
No, I think we have created one, right? Honda.
But did you click that organization data determination procedure?
No, I don't think so.
If you click that data, it should be determined here. Then automatically,
No, I don't think you can.
this distribution channel and division need to be displayed. If you maintain that properly there, then obviously here so many sales organizations are displayed. Can you see Apple Bangalore, Apple US? Suppose I am taking US sales and service. Okay.
Here you also have R3 key on.
So what is the
Something.
use of this sales agent?
Here you also have R3 key on. Something.
Yeah, that is for data while migrating. We'll put the key on.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay.
R3 key on. From where data this came from? See, can you see this? These are all the R3 data. If you are migrating, which that organization ID, got it? All the R3 related, which are not R3, that will not display. This Sony is not displaying. It's not R3 data. Okay? So this data is only for belonging that particular Vijay related information. Can you see here down sales tab, own data? Own data, because here that particular Vijay related data, like he belongs to which customer group? He belongs to wholesale, or he belongs to retail, or he belongs to premium customer group, or he belongs to business class, or he belongs to regular, or he belongs to platinum, gold. Likewise, which customer group if he maintain, by maintaining that end user, he will maintain that particular sold to party will belongs to this which customer group. Okay, A class customer, B class customer, C class customer, platinum group, blue. Likewise, we can maintain.
These customer group we can maintain. Customer group we can maintain.
Yeah,
Creation.
this customized backend that will be displayed in the front end, like this here application. Those are all called as attributes of particular sold to God. So we will maintain attributes. Okay. See here, Incoterms, delivery priority, shipping conditions, delivery control, all the stuff like, see, Incoterms means international commercial terms. So what are the data they are providing for that particular Vijay, like any freight charges, any free delivery from the, if any international customer, insurance free, those all details if you need to maintain, then you can maintain. End user will maintain.
Uh-huh.
So, and delivery priority. So whether you are giving high, normal, low, shipping conditions immediately as soon as possible, and delivery control, partial or complete delivery. If it is your, how much that over delivery tolerance bear by Mr. Vijay, or under delivery will bear by Mr. Vijay. The mode of transport, road, rail, flight, all this stuff will be, the customization part is here, my dear friend. So you can customize here, that will be displayed in the front end. CRM, what is the topic we are doing?
BP, master data,
Business partner.
master data.
Here, define attributes. See here, shipping condition, delivery priority, Incoterms, term of payment, mode of transport, all the stuff if you maintain here, that will be displayed there. So if you maintain in customer group, if you double click that, so if you maintain new entry, some data platinum, gold, then that will display. Okay, this is the location.
Okay, okay. Okay, okay.
And shipping conditions.
Raj, is it for one particular BP or is it applicable for all?
Is it for one particular?
Everything, customization if you
Yeah.
done means that is
It's for all,
suitable
right?
for all the tabs.
Right.
No. It's for all, right?
Yes, yes, it's for all.
Right.
So the data need to be open. First of all, you need to give sales area data. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So likewise, if you have delivery priority high, low, normal, then you can give here high, low, normal also.
Are any of these fields used in
Are
determinations?
any of these fields used in determinations?
This data will not be used for any determinations.
Okay.
It will be useful for only that billing details and pricing conditions, like which pricing, document pricing you are giving. That time if you maintain in here, then this BP related price, document price, that will be determined in your transaction level, pricing procedure, because pricing procedure will require document billing and
Customer.
customer billing,
Customer.
right? So that is the customer billing. These attributes will be maintained. If you are maintaining any price, then these attributes will be maintained. Okay.
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 So this is the total topics. All these things you can check and customize. Like even in my notes also,
Okay.
you do that.
Okay.
So today I am winding the session. So tomorrow we'll meet up.
All right, Raj.
So
All right.
go through the documents
Okay.
and study in detail.
Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, Raj.
Okay.
So take care.
All right.
Bye.
Thanks, Raj. Right.
The organizer has ended the session and this call will be disconnected.